Whether you realize it or not, there is a lot of power in your words. Forget about your craft, your skill, your business, your side hustle, all of that for just a second. I want to talk about you. There's a lot of obstacles that are in the way of creativity, creating, pushing forward in those things, and accomplishing dreams and goals. And one of the most powerful is ourself. We can be one of the biggest obstacles to what we're trying to do. And I think that mostly manifests itself in our dialogue or what we say about ourselves. And you could also, look at it as thinking. But a lot of times I've seen where maybe you've noticed this too from yourself or from others, where you will compliment someone. Man, what you did was amazing. Wow, that thing over there, that was incredible. And they come back with, oh, well, it's not that good, or and they have some kind of rebuttal against it. That is something that's more powerful than that person might realize, or more than powerful than you realize. It can severely affect our own perspective of what we're doing. Sometimes we'll speak so negatively about something we're trying so hard to do that we won't ever end up accomplishing it because we've shut it down internally. And I want to talk more about this tomorrow, but be aware of your internal dialogue and your external speaking, the words that are coming out of your mouth about yourself and about the things that you're creating, and see what you end up with. Is it more negative or more positive? And once you are aware, it might be something that you want to change.